The DALY Smart Charger supports a wide input voltage range, works across multiple applications, integrates with the BMS, provides comprehensive protection, delivers stable output current, and supports undervoltage battery activation. Using the onboard model as an example, open the package. Inside are the charger and user manual. The AC adapter cable is available with US, EU, or UK plugs. The DC cable is available with ring terminals, alligator clips, 3-pin connectors, and more. YITA Y30, RXV, and other output connectors can be customized upon request. The charger supports an ultra-wide AC input range of 100 to 264 volt. It is available in onboard and portable models. Power options include 1000 watt, 1500 watt, and 2000 watt. Before charging, confirm the battery type and series cell count of the battery pack. Make sure its full charge voltage matches the charger's output voltage. The onboard model supports flat and side mounting. Before connecting the charger, make sure the cooling vents are unobstructed. Onboard charger operation demo. First, connect the DC battery connector to the battery. Finally, plug the AC plug into a power outlet. When all connections are correct, the charger will start charging after its self-check. Portable charger charging demo. First, connect the charger side ends of the AC and DC cables to the charger. Then connect the battery side end of the DC cable to the battery. Finally, plug the AC plug into a power outlet to start charging. Turn on Bluetooth and location services, then open the DALY app. Tap Charger, then connect to the matching Bluetooth ID. The app displays charging voltage, current, power, and other data. Tap Settings in the lower right corner. The maximum charging current can be adjusted. The charging duration can be set for up to 24 hours. It also supports one-tap OTA upgrades. If the green light flashes, charging is in progress. If the green light stays on, charging is complete. If the yellow light flashes, the charger has been turned off through the app. If the red and green lights flash alternately, a fault has occurred during charging. Identify the fault as shown. When powering off, follow the steps below to help maintain battery health. After the battery is fully charged, first unplug the AC side plug. Then unplug the DC side plug to complete the power-off process. If you need to power off during charging, it is recommended to first turn off the charger in the DALY app. Then unplug the AC side plug, and finally unplug the DC side plug. This completes the power-off process.